Hey guys, I'm yelling because tonight on Safety Optional, we got my Jeep running again, finally. Hey everyone, welcome back to Safety Optional. And tonight we're putting the injectors back in the Jeep and getting it running again. So if you've been watching, you've seen where I handed these off to Gusto to get them rebuilt, and now we've got them back and we're putting them back in the Jeep. Because the engine doesn't have oil to all the passages in here, you can't just dump oil in the top of the engine and have it lubricate everything. The proper way to lubricate the engine before you start it up is through the oil pump. Starting to build up some pressure. Now there's oil filling all the passages, all through the rocker arms, push rods, all around the cam, all the bearings and everything. So this baby is now ready to start. On that note, we drink beer. Yep. So there's the camera shot of how the distributor is oriented before, so I can remember again and get it timing correctly. Well, looks doggone close, doesn't it? On there. This Jeep will automatically adjust the timing. It should. Okay. Had to reconnect the wire there and there. She's in. Shall we? I think we shall. If you watch my channel, you saw that I handed off to Gusto.
So I sent these to Deech Works in Oklahoma City. They were analyzed for their performance from start, and then they were taken apart and cleaned ultrasonically and then retested. Initially, 4 of them were stuck closed, just gummed up inside. They were able to coax 2 of them open, and then they were all cleaned, and the remaining 2, they're able to get those opened up. They cleaned them thoroughly inside and out, flow tested them, and got them fairly well matched as far as their flow rate. So pretty confident these are going to be working now. So I think that represents our major problem last time, is we had no fuel flow when we were trying to crank it. So I think now that we got these cleaned out and running well, I think we should be able to get this thing started. So there they are.
Ready to lube them up and put them in?
I think so.
So they sent us this little lube here, right? I guess we put a little dot of that on each one when we reinstall them.
Yep.
And what was the cost?
Service on these was about $25 an injector.
Per.
So
half the price.
Half the price of replacing it, and with like new flow rates.
Phase 1 is complete. Got all the injectors onto the rail. They weren't really numbered before, but they're numbered now, so we'll keep them in order. Alright, so we're going to see if the universal O-ring pack has the right ones. Alright, I'm going to speculate that these are the ones that we need. If this works in the first try, my mind will be absolutely blown. You know, it's not about the size of your Jeep or how powerful it is.
It's if it runs.
Oh. So, alright, the next test of whether or not we're wasting our time. Alright, so this little baby here has been a tremendous source of frustration. I bought a new clip and O-rings, and they obviously got garbaged up last time we worked on this. So we got the new O-rings on there with the spacer in the middle, and they're lubed up, and we're going to try to get this thing to go on there and click. You know, sometimes you just, the Lord smiles upon you. Things work out.
Just got to use more lube.
It's good. It's good. It's good. Now we got to just reassemble. All right, I think I got to get the distributor turned a little bit more. That could be our problem. Yep, give her a crank. Taking this thing for a test drive, and it feels like there's no power steering, and there's a really bad vibration sound, like something's banging against the body. But hey, it's moving under its own power. We're driving around the neighborhood. Brakes work. Over a bump. Look who's here!
Eric.
Yeah. Oh, hold on.
We got company. Look at that. It's Eric.
Yeah, it's she's rougher than a night in jail, man, but she's running.
This thing looks like a DeLorean after it came out of the abandoned Delgado line in Back to the Future 3.
Did you reset it for checking your mileage?
All these other people on the road did not realize how much they were taking their life into their own hands tonight.
If only this were a rare occurrence on the highways, you know?
Just pulling real bad. Low tire. Well, it's been a long time coming, but finally we got the Jeep running tonight. So RC Gusto, my brother Eric, we got this thing running, took it out, got some gas, and man, I'm just so ecstatic just to finally to get it out of the shop, but especially just to be able to drive it. Haven't driven this thing in 5 years, and it's a big day. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing fixed up a little bit more. We're gonna fix all the squeaks and groans and whines it's got. We're gonna take it out four-wheeling. So stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Evan, and this is the first family trip in the Jeep. All right, buckle up. Lord knows you're gonna need it.